Or I guess my name is Raj and I'm from Team Easy Doc. And before I start, I just want to tell everybody, we believe in beauty is in the brains. So feel free not to pay attention to this because it looks like crap. Okay. Let me start with a question. How many of you have ever gone to a doctor? Alright, okay. I think that's 100%. So what happens today when we go to a doctor? You go to the doctor, there is a small issue with it. It's a big issue. Generally, there's a lot of tests done. And you will go to a lab, a diagnostic center, give a test, go back home, wait for it, go back to the diagnostic center, and then collect it, go back to the doctor. Oh, I'm too sick, man. I don't want to do this. My headache is increasing, literally. Then I have to go back to the pharmacy, get it, etc., etc. So it is very inconvenient process. So what we want to do is we want to link the doctor, the labs, and the pharmacy. So what happens is, suppose you're sick, you go to the doctor, you go to the lab, you give, you get your test done, you go back home and you rest. The result goes from the lab to the doctor, who checks it out. If necessary, he calls you back. Otherwise, it goes directly from there. He prescribes, goes to the pharmacist, and from there, it gets delivered to your doorstep. It's a very simple thing, but we believe there is a huge opportunity there, and that's how we're going to do this. Now, quickly, the benefits for patients. We are saving them time, we're saving them money, we're giving them a lot of opportunity to rest. Also, a byproduct of this system is you get an online medical history, which is permanent and which you can access anywhere. For doctors, they get access to a free medical record system. There's a lot of flexibility. They can check out the reports anywhere. They don't have to be at the clinic. And also, we plan to have a lot of value-added features in the future which the doctors can avail. For diagnostic centers, less paperwork, it's a new sales point, and also there is loyalty factor from consumers who want to use this service. For pharmacies, again, a new sales channel, an online platform for selling, loyalty, and a better inventory management because you get a pre-orders. Alright, now people who want to copy this idea, pay attention because I'm going to tell you where the money is. Number one, patients, yearly plans, monthly plans for families, for corporates, for individuals. Pharmacists, we're going to get commission from direct sales through the platform. Doctors, in the future, when the value-added services are rolled out, again, we can charge them. And where the big money is, a byproduct, like I said, is a huge database of medical records, and we can mine them anonymously. And also for pharmaceuticals, it's a great avenue to advertise. Right? Alright, now a quick rollout timeline. We estimate about 6 months to build the product, to test it, and then roll it out. About a year to 18 months to break even, and then about 2 years, you want to dominate, basically. Alright, now let me quickly run you through the demo, and you might want to pay a little more attention this time. Right? Okay, let's start with the doctor's screen. Alright, so here we have Dr. House, sure you all know. And alright, he has a list of appointments, patients he's going to see. He can click on it, which opens the patient's profile, and he can, fill in the information. It's very simple for him to do that. Not too much technical knowledge required. Let's move on to the lab screen. Right, this is a diagnostic screen. Again, here, they get the appointments, which is scheduled. It's easy for them to schedule it as well. And similarly, they click on the patient's profile, and again, they can enter the test results. Now let's go to the pharmaceuticals or the pharmacist. And here you have, different status, new orders that are coming, waiting for confirmation and waiting for delivery. Again, a very simple system. And finally, you have the patient profile, where he can view his complete medical history of his entire records that is there up on the system. Do we have more time? How much?
10 seconds.
Okay. Well, I had a financial plan, but fine. Yeah.
How many
Yeah.
patients did you call and what was the validation?
Yeah, the validation. Okay, we skip that. We got a survey. I did a video survey which ended up about 2 to 3 GB, so we couldn't edit it. But basically 30 people, out of which 22 are willing to pay for this. And the average amount that people are willing to pay is 1,000 to 1,500, which is fantastic because we
Per
were
event or
per person.
per year? Or what?
Per year, per year. I mean, we planned on having something much lower, so we are very happy with that. Right now in the open, like when you search, you're not getting anything, but I did hear a few people mention that some people are thinking about this, but it's kind of confidential.
I know for sure. There are lots of lines.
No, we did check out, but nothing which links it the way we have put it out there. There are a lot of EMR systems out there, but
There's a patient record system.
right, right,
Who wait and wait for the same form.
okay.
So I would really suggest you that you spend a lot of time in difficult market.
There are already established